Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the tools and a clean surface. Start by identifying the tag type, fabric loop or hard plastic lock. If it's a fabric loop, use small pliers to pinch the knot tight, then cut the loop close to the attachment point, making sure to keep the blade angle away from the shoe material. Once done, gently pull the remaining thread out with tweezers. If you see a plastic head, stop here and switch methods to avoid damage and make note of the locking element. Now you're dealing with a hard plastic lock. Find the tiny hole or notch where the internal pin sits. Insert a straight sewing pin or push pin into that hole and press firmly to depress the internal lock while you pull the tag body away with pliers. Move slowly. Steady pressure releases the catch without snapping the plastic. Once the lock depresses, slide the stem out in a straight line. If the pin won't depress, try a second, thinner pin or apply mild. You're at the final step. Remove any tiny remnants and clean the area. Use warm soapy water on a soft cloth to lift residue, then let the shoe air dry. If a plastic lock still resists, try a brief low heat application with a hairdryer to soften the plastic, and then retry the pin method. Make sure not to overheat. If the tag still won't release, stop and take the shoe to a professional repair or the original retailer to avoid permanent damage. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.